Hello students, in this video we will see basics required for tracing polar curves. Before it, we will see what is polar system. As like a Cartesian system, there is another system which is called as a polar system, in which there are two coordinates r and theta. These coordinates are called as polar coordinates, and as we know, what is theta? Theta is the angle between positive x-axis and this radius vector, and r is a distance from origin to the point. Okay, now I will show how it works. Suppose I want to plot this point 2, 40 and 45 degree. Okay, so the point is given in polar coordinates, so r is equal to 2 and theta is equal to 45 degree. So this is a x-axis, right? So first step is what? We have to rotate in 45 degree. So after rotation we will get this. Okay, so this is a 45 degree. Okay, and then we have to measure this length as 2. Okay, so suppose this is 2, so this will be the point 2, 45. Okay, so any point which is in polar coordinate we can plot here like this. In polar system there are two concepts, one is pole and second one is initial line. We will see what is meant by pole and what is meant by initial line. I will plot a point which is called as a fixed point, and this fixed point is called as pole, and a straight line from this fixed point to any direction, this is called as initial line. Okay, so initially what we can say, theta is equal to 0, or we can say theta is equal to 0 is called as initial line. Now when I will rotate this initial line in 90 degree, what I will get? This one, right? So I will label this theta is equal to pi by 2. Again I will rotate this initial line, this line in 90 degree, I will get this line. Okay, so total now this will be a 180 degree, so theta is equal to pi, and next this theta is equal to 3 pi by 2, and again we will rotate this, so theta is equal to, now this will be 2 pi, and it will be coincide with initial line. So you can observe this is similar to our Cartesian system. So this theta is equal to 0 is our positive x-axis, theta is equal to pi by 2 is our positive y-axis, this is negative x-axis, and theta is equal to 3 pi by 2 is a negative y-axis. So while tracing polar curves we will use these terms. So don't say this is x-axis, say this is a initial line with theta is equal to 0. This is a line, theta is equal to pi by 2. This is the line, theta is equal to pi, and similarly this is the line, theta is equal to 3 pi by 2. And also you can see in Cartesian system we say this point is origin, but here we have to say this is a pole. So while tracing you have to keep these things in mind. Thank you.